Hello guys, another quick tip on Java. In Java programming, almost all the time we deal with string manipulation. We create string almost in every program, but sometimes we make serious mistakes on Java string. I'm talking about string concatenation. Look at this for loop. This code is very simple, but it has a serious problem. In every iteration, we are creating a new object and the old object reference is getting lost. This for loop runs for 10,000 times. That means we are creating 10,000 objects in the string pool. In terms of memory management, this code is not optimized at all. So, how can we fix the problem? Here is the way to fix the problem. Keep the for loop, but use the string buffer instead. After modification of the code, let us have a look. In this code, we are using the string buffer class. Although we have a for loop that iterates 10,000 times, still we have only one object of string buffer. I feel it is a huge code optimization considering the Java memory. So whenever there is a need of string concatenation inside a for loop, be extra cautious and think it wisely. Guys, that's it for this video. Let me know how you like these Java coding tips. If you have any suggestions, leave your valuable comments. See you in the next video.